Hey crafty friends, Chantel here again. I wanted to come on and share with you a flower technique made using dollies. I was fishing through my scrapbooks, etc. magazine from February 2012 looking for some inspiration, and I came across on page 94 and 95 a folded flower made with dollies. And this flower here, I did exactly as the instructions give in the book. And with the folds, you fold it over once and then you fold it over again in the opposite direction, and this is the flower that you would get. And then I just put a center. This is an applique. I just glued that to the center of it, and it is all adhered to the back of a 1.5 inch square. So that's the one that came from the book itself. And here is my variation of that very same flower. And all I did was change the way that I folded each of the dollies. And it gives it more like fluff. It looks more, more puffy, although it's flat because it's a dolly. And then I put spare parts flower in the center. So this is the one that I'm going to show you how to make. And to do that, you need 6 dollies. These, I believe I picked up at the dollar store. They are 4-inch rounds. And so I just pulled 6 of those out of there. And what you do is flip it over to the flat edge, which kind of looks like the back because the front is embossed. And then you would take the dollies, fold it over once. I take it and fold it so that you have a point at the tip here, and it's hanging over the edge up here. And fold it over, just put a little crease in it, and then flip that over. And then this side I fold so that this end meets with the end of the dolly. And it gives you like a waterfall effect, so it looks like that. So you do that 6 times, and I'm going to do that on camera 6 times. It's really quick and simple to do. And then once you have them all folded, you can begin the process of gluing them down onto your circle square. And then you add your centerpiece, whatever piece you'd like to put in the middle. And it's done. Easy peasy. Ready for projects or, altar projects or scrapbook layouts. Anything that you want to put them on, you'd be all ready to go. And it's so quick and easy. I just made those 2 that I showed you in the beginning just a few minutes before I started this video. And I'm doing this one with you on video. And it's pretty quick and easy, and I can actually do a whole bunch at once and store them so that they are ready to go when I am ready to use them. So that is like an awesome deal, and they're pretty and simple. And that set of dollies that I have there comes with 48 in the package. So multiply that or divide that by 6, and that tells you how many of these you can make at once. I'm not going to try to do that right this minute. The math is not my strong point. Alright, so there we go. So we have 6 dollies folded in half. I'm going to grab up one of my circles that I pre-punched, and then you see how it folds. It opens up on this end. You want to glue on the back of that. So I just grab the glue gun, put a little bit of glue on the back, and then lay it down. And that is your first punch. I'm sorry, your first petal. Now you can go straight to the middle. You can have it further out to the tip, depending on how big you want your dolly to be, your flower to be. So you would decide where you want to place the dollies at on your circle square. because there's a lot of ways that you can do this. And I'm going to make sure I'm in frame because I am actually looking behind the camera today, or over the camera. And I'm hoping that the lighting is okay because I'm at the table. So you see it coming together already, right? And then I have two more. Just add that one here. And it doesn't matter if they are crisscrossing here in the center because, you know, you're going to put something in the center there anyway. So, got a little bit of glue on me. And then this is the last one. And it'll just go right here. Make sure you get it lined up on the edges there. So that's all 6 dollies. And then I have this spare parts flower here from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the back of that. And adhere that in the middle. And there you go. You have a lace dolly flower thingy embellishment. And then you can go around the edges here and kind of puff it a little bit in between each of the scallops to make it, you know, look a little puffed up before you put it on your project, and you'll get that look there. So here is the one from the magazine, and this is the first one that I created, and then here's the second one that I created. Super easy. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you like it, click the button at the bottom there. I'd love thumbs up, and have a good day. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.